Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to today's video where we embark on a transformative journey towards reaching our fullest potential. Each and every one of us possesses incredible untapped abilities and talents that, when realized, can lead to a life of purpose, fulfillment, and extraordinary achievements. In this video, we will explore the key principles and strategies to help you unleash your full potential and create a life that exceeds your wildest dreams. So, let's dive in and unlock the power within, embracing self-discovery to reach your fullest potential. It's crucial to embark on a journey of self-discovery. Take the time to reflect on your passions, values, strengths, and weaknesses. Understand who you are at your core and what truly ignites your soul. Self-awareness is the foundation upon which you can build a life aligned with your true potential. Setting clear goals. Setting clear and meaningful goals is a vital step towards unlocking your potential. Define your aspiration, both short-term and long-term, and ensure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart goals provide direction, focus, and a sense of purpose, serving as a roadmap on your journey to greatness. Cultivating a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication, hard work, and learning from failures. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Adopt a positive attitude towards setbacks and see them as stepping stones to success. With a growth mindset, you'll view obstacles as temporary roadblocks that can be overcome with perseverance and effort. Investing in continuous learning. To unlock your full potential, commit yourself to lifelong learning. Expand your knowledge, acquire new skills, and seek personal and professional development opportunities. Read books, attend workshops, take online courses, and surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you. Embrace the power of knowledge and never stop growing. Embracing fear and taking action. Fear often holds us back from reaching our fullest potential. It's time to face those fears head-on. Step out of your comfort zone, embrace the unknown, and take calculated risks. Remember that growth and greatness lie just beyond the borders of your comfort zone. Take action, for it is through action that dreams become reality. Building a supportive network. Surround yourself with a supportive network of individuals who believe in your potential and encourage your growth. Seek out mentors, coaches, and like-minded peers who can offer guidance, support, and constructive feedback. Together, you can create an environment that fosters growth and propels you towards your highest potential. As we conclude this transformative journey, I want to remind you that you possess limitless potential waiting to be unleashed. Embrace self-discovery and set clear goals, my kings. Have a great journey on your way.